Welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Tuesday, April the 14th. We had a sell-off today, as evidenced by the red candle and a fairly large body, but traded roughly down through halfway of the previous candle, but potentially a harami reversal pattern where the body of the current candle is engulfed by the previous candle, or the body of the current candle is inside the body of the previous candle. What we'd prefer to see, though, for this to be a good pattern is for the body of the current candle to be a bit smaller, but still a bit of bearishness. Now we can see that the top of the Kumo, or the cloud, has acted as resistance. So the market once again has tried to trade up through the cloud. We can see it tried to trade through here. We can see the wicks, which means price rejection to the downside, more price rejection. Previously, the market in this upswing has tried to trade up through the cloud, price rejection along shadow or wick, and then traded off. Here we can see that the Kijun-sen has acted as support. The market's tried to trade up through the Tenkan-sen, which we know can act to support or resistance. It's roughly held. Tried to trade up through the cloud, but the market was unable to do so, and trading down through there. So while we're trading within this cloud and we can't trade up through the top of the cloud and it's holding as resistance, it's certainly not a bullish sign for this market. Certainly not totally bearish, because we're trading within the cloud. While we're trading within the cloud, it means that the market is fairly neutral. And we can see here that we've just got a huge congestion area. We had a very fast trending move up through here, and the market's retracing this very fast upswing. And that's evidenced by the sideways movement in the Kijun-sen, which means that the market had lost a lot of this momentum that it had through here. Now we've got both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen were pointing in opposite directions for a period of time, but we've started to see the Tenkan-sen, which is the faster moving line, the green line, pointing sideways, which means that in the short time frame the market is congesting. So I think this market is very indecisive at the moment. We are in a second time frame downtrend, so we could place a sell stop down below the low of yesterday's trading, but we might see that this Kijun-sen could act as a potential barrier to a downside move. So we don't really want to commit either way to this market. I'd say probably more range trading over the next few days. We'll see how this develops over the next day or two, whether the market does sell off. What we'd actually like to see is for the market to break out above the cloud, which would mean that the market would become fairly bullish, and it might give us a reason to think about going long. But I think more congestion over the next few days.